care what kind of car. Just give me a damn car! Where'd they go? Where'd they go? Busted these tires too. Fuck you! Oh, they're gonna kill me, they're gonna kill me! It's a truck.
Yo, what did I do to you, son?
You busted my damn tires again. God damn it.
You should know who you're messing with.
Wait. Where they going? Finally!
Please.
Is my car here? Yeah, we can go back. Okay, cool. Alright, now that I've got that situated. Okay. Sorry guys, I'm trying to do something here. Just give me a minute. Alright, back to what we were doing. Let's go get candy. Wow, that dude just got killed big time. Which way are we going? This way. That dude just got creamed. car. I don't know where I got $38 from, but that's good. Better than $1. Probably like from people that killed or something. And I don't have it. That's not enough to give me some armor now that I'm here, but oh well. It's fine. We'll get it in a minute. I'll take that car, thank you. Thank you. I'll take that car. Alright, cool. Nice. Alright, where is Candy? I'm going way out of the lead now. She's back this way. She's that way. Oh, no, don't. I want your car, even though I just dented it.
Congratulations, you win the idiot prize.
You got insurance, so don't be
What
afraid.
are you doing?
Better make it quick, girl. Quick! Stupid girl, get in the car! Motherfucking ruin my cars. Yeah, that's how I'm getting money from people that I'm killing.
Hey, stop it!
Candy, get in the car. Quick. Get out of the car, Candy! God damn it!
Don't drink and drive.
I want to see something.
Oye, socio, ¿qué volá?
Not that car, you thump!
Don't get weird on me. I'm kicking your brain.
Out of the way!
The sun's been messing up your brain, you idiot.
Come on, let's go.
Alright, there we go. I wonder, I mean, this might be me, I just might be stupid, but I wonder why you can't meet her in the car. You can meet everybody else in the car somehow. Maybe it's just me being stupid and not realizing something, but to me, why can't you meet her in the car? It's just weird to me. Whatever. I have a feeling I'm gonna need a four-door car. Yeah, I have a feeling I need a four-door car. Where's a four-door car? Which car is better though?
You're a death wish?
Where is she? Not here? Is she inside?
I can't
Yep,
wait
she's
to
inside.
tell my project.
Hey, Mercedes.
Hey, Tony. You want a party?
Now, Sneaks, you interested in doing some movies?
Of course, as long as it's cheap and sleazy.
You're hired. Get in.
Put your sunglasses on.
Let's go, ladies.
I didn't hear what you said. I can't wait to
Where's
go
the other girl? Are you stuck? There she is. Okay. Alright. At least it's not timed. That's a plus.
Keep moving. I just want to keep my finger.
Thank God it's not timed. I don't know if I would have made it or not. Alright.
Hey, Tommy. You coming in for a warm-up?
Maybe later, babe.
Finally. There you go. Fine ladies.
Whoa. Cool shark.
Fine ladies. Alright, well, I'm going to take a break because I know probably y'all are, some of y'all are probably like, what a fucking dumbass. He didn't remember or he didn't know what to do. No, I did not know what to do. I had to look up what to do in the middle of the session. Because it's been, for those of you that are new to the channel, it's been like almost 20 years since I played this game. So I don't remember too much on how to play it, you know what I mean? So I forgot some of the stuff, some of the missions and stuff. So just forgive me. So yeah, so that's what happened. I forgot that you had to do certain things in order to get her in the car and stuff like that. So, but I had to look it up, and the rest is history. But at least we got it done. So I'm gonna take a quick break, and we come back. We're gonna continue on with some more Grand Theft Auto Vice City, and we're gonna hit up some more of the studio. And then after that, I don't know. We'll just have to play it by ear and see what happens. But until then, I will see you guys in the next video.